Well, imagine this. A mother goes into labor in the midst of Hurricane Matthew, calls 911, but EMS has a serious delay because of the flooding. So she decides to walk through the storm in order to get to the hospital. Today, that mother got to take her baby boy home. And News 2's Sophia Arasosa spoke with the mother to learn more about her decision to brave the elements.
It was a hell of a journey, And everyone's like, I couldn't do it if I was you. I wasn't thinking about me, I was thinking about him.
A journey through floodwater to get to the hospital while in labor.
Any mother will take extraordinary measures to make sure that their child's safe, and I had to do what I had to do.
Leslie Matthews went into labor the morning Hurricane Matthew hit, which she was trying to avoid.
Rubbing my stomach all night. This is not the time to go into labor. We're going to do this. We're going to get through this storm.
When her plan failed, she called an ambulance, only to hear that she would have to wait some time before they could respond. Time she wasn't willing to spare.
No, I have to go to the hospital now. I have to go to the hospital because I have to do what's best for me and him.
So she took matters into her own hands and walked more than 5 blocks before someone picked her up to take her to the entrance. A decision she doesn't regret.
It seems like a lifetime, but just seeing him here safe, that's all that matters.
And one her doctors and nurses won't forget.
To hear her story, it was just kind of special. I won't forget her.
But Leslie isn't the first to work through a storm to get to MUSC. Her mother made a similar trek back when Leslie was born in 1989 during Hurricane Hugo.
My mama had me doing Hurricane Hugo. I'm a survivor. I'm going to be all right.
Most of her family had evacuated, so she delivered baby Messiah on her own. And her doctors and nurses said she was calm and focused during the delivery despite Hurricane Matthew just outside. In studio, Sophia Arasosa, News 2.